My name's Nadernejad, Director of Nadernejad Media Incorporated, and we're opening a new branch in Dubai. We're in Dubai right now. I'm in the Business Bay area, and we're looking to open a Nadernejad Media International branch, Dubai headquarters. And so things are changing a lot. And we haven't made as many videos as we have before because we're working with more enterprise. And we're also working on bringing some new case studies to you so you can see all the incredible work we've done. In today's video, I want to give you 5 tips about how to leverage AI in online reputation management. Number 1, use AI to write your articles. So for a very long time in online reputation management, I've recommended that in order to suppress negative links in search engines, it's really good to write articles about yourself in third person in journalistic style. So articles that talk about you, not from your perspective, but from a open third person perspective. Nader is the director of Nadernejad Media Incorporated. Nader is helping people like this sort of headline, and then we will publish them. And so ChatGPT, any other service, any AI service that can actually write well and in a compelling way, is a great way to leverage AI because you can give an interview or you can write some facts about yourself and either upload the audio or upload the text and then say, hey, write an article and write it from this angle. So we'll make more videos about how to prompt the AI, but just experiment with it and use that and then save those. Take that text, save it into a Word document, head on over to a website like Fiverr.com, hire somebody to publish an article about you or your brand, and then send them the article. And then once you rinse and repeat, keep it budget friendly, cost effective, you can eventually gain control of the first page of search engines. So that's one really great way to leverage AI for writing. The second method I'm going to recommend is video creation services with AI, because more and more what we're seeing in Nadernejad Media Incorporated is people are getting negative videos for their names and for their businesses. If there's some controversy in the media, oftentimes the news channel will upload it to YouTube, and you need to suppress that. Making a video is generally very, very expensive. It takes time, or it takes some degree of skill, or you need to know how to edit. And so you can't compete with these news channels. One really great thing to do is use a service like InVideo AI. InVideo AI is going to allow you to just prompt the AI. You can use Google VO3 now, I think it's called VO, to create videos, but on the spot, you're prompting it, you're getting a voiceover AI generated on the spot, and then you can create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 10 videos a day and upload them to a YouTube channel using keywords that you want to rank for, like your business or your name. So that's my second tip. Number 1, you're writing with AI. Number 2, you're making videos with AI. And number 3, I recommend generating images with AI. This is great for your online reputation because oftentimes businesses have negative articles, and in those negative articles are negative images. So we generally recommend if there's like one negative article and on Google Images or on the Google Carousel on the web version of search results, you're actually seeing negativity in the form of an image and an article, we recommend like 5 to 6 positive images to flush out that one image. Now, if there's a bunch, you might need 10 or 15, and hiring a photographer is very expensive. There are services you can use, and you can do a quick Google search for them, or you can even prompt AI to do it for you. They will take basic images of yourself, upscale them, and make AI versions of them in different settings. And you can use that so hyper realistically, so photorealistically nowadays, and put those in your articles, even put them in your videos in a service like InVideo AI. So now you're appearing in the InVideo AI generated videos, you're appearing in the articles, they're getting published. So all these things together synergize to create photo, video, and articles. We have multimedia. Now the next one, can you guess what it's going to be? It's going to be audio. You can now create full, and I believe it's Google Gemini. If you use Google Gemini or some of the Google services, Google's AI, to generate podcast audio, again, I'll put a full tutorial out there, but you can actually do a search for AI podcast generation. And what's amazing about this is you can take either your own voice and upload it to something like 11 Labs, which is going to allow you to clone your own voice And then you can prompt it to discuss any topic. Talk about my experience in reputation management. Here are the points. I could have made this whole video, right? And now this is just for suppression. Obviously, I'm not trying to suppress things. I'm trying to give you information genuinely because we sell a service, so I'm appearing on camera. But if you're just looking to suppress things, you can easily generate a podcast, take that podcast audio or file, and upload it to a service like Buzzsprout. That's going to rank on things like Apple Music, Spotify. I don't know if Deezer exists anymore, but if you use a Buzzsprout or any other service, it'll distribute the podcast, give you web rankings, and build your reputation further. So we have audio, videos, photos, and articles. The next thing you can do is, as you're building this out, start asking AI to remember what your brand stands for. You can craft communications plan and do the planning component with AI, and you can also ask it for content ideas. So while you're doing all this and you're leveraging all the mediums, you have a steady influx of content that's being fed to you and giving you ideas for brand new topics. So these are 5 ways you can leverage AI in online reputation management today. It gets way more advanced. You can build your own automated AI-generated news sites that pull from RSS feeds and make content about your brand every day while simultaneously putting Google AdWords in there and respinning the content to make money. It gets that advanced. But this was just 5 tips to fix your online reputation. So if you have any tips or you want to do more advanced functionalities for enterprise, do let us know. Click that link in the description down below to book your call today, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.